Take care of yourself. I will come early today, Jungkook said, pecking his wife's forehead. Yan smiled. Okay, but don't forget to bring my favorite ice cream. Jungkook chuckling. Okay, is there something else my another needs? He said and knelt down in front of Yan. He gently pressed on Yan. Yan eyes softened, seeing him talking so sweetly. For now, baby doesn't need anything, but if he wanted something, I will let you know, Yan said caressing a Jungkook's hair. With one more peck on Yan's, Jungkook stand up and hug her. Don't do any work today, okay? Yan nodded. Jungkook cuffed her cheeks and placed his on her. He gently her like she is a maid of a feather. After a loving, Jungkook went to his office and Yan sat on the couch reading the novel. Author point of view, Jungkook and Yan are married with each other from the last 7 months. It was an arranged marriage, but they both fell in love with each other after a marriage. More like a Jungkook made her fall in love with him because there was no way Jungkook was going to leave her. He was for her love. Now Yan is a 5 months pregnant and Jungkook is loving Yan's pregnancy phase. Author point of view, Jungkook was typing something in his laptop, totally focused in his work, but his secretary, Han Yuna, was him out. It's been 2 weeks since she got the job of Jungkook's secretary. Miss Han cancelled my remaining meeting after 4 p.m., Jungkook said, but Yuna was in her own fantasy world. Not getting any reply, Jungkook looked up and find her staring at him. Jungkook jaw clenched. He did not like this type of behavior from his employees. Jungkook coldly, Miss Han, I'm saying something to you. Jungkook raised his voice, bringing Yuna back to the reality. Yuna shuddering, what, sir? If you wanted to live in your imagination world, then my office exit doors are always open. I'm sorry, sir. From the next time, if I saw you zoning out, then a resignation letter will be in your hand. Got it? Yuna nodded, bowing in apologize. Cancel my today's remaining meeting and get out. Yuna quickly went outside of the office while nodding. Yuna walked in Jungkook's cabin. As Jungkook was not present in cabin, Yuna sat on the Jungkook's chair like she owned that place. But Yuna's eyes fell on the photo of Yan and Jungkook, which is a place on the desk. Anger and jealousy erupted in her. Yuna point of view, he never smiled at anyone, but when it's come to Yan, he is all soft. I still remember when Yan come to the office last week. He postponed the meeting and gave his all time to her. I envied her so much, but just wait and watch Yan, how I will make a Jungkook. Author point of view, Yuna Smith and idea came in her mind. She took the Jungkook white coat and placed her on the collar side. This will create a misunderstanding between them and then fight. Yuna placed the coat back and left the cabin. Jungkook walked in his home and saw his wife watching a cartoon show. I'm home, wifey. Yan smiled widely and extended her arms to hug him. Jungkook smiled and hugged her, the side of her head. Yan pouting. Jungkook pecked her, pouting. Jungkook. Yan smiled, but her smile widened when Jungkook gave her a favorite ice cream. Thank you, Cook. She happily started to eat the ice cream. Jungkook smiled, seeing her happy. Yan extended a spoon to his mouth. Jungkook ate by her hand. After that, he went upstairs to freshen up by giving a peck to her. You were doing your night skincare sitting on the stool in front of the mirror, but your gaze fell on the Jungkook coat from the mirror. This man always forget to put his clothes for laundry. Yan stand up slowly and went to pick up the coat. She held the coat in her hand, but her eyes caught the red mark on the collar side. Your hand froze because in the morning there was not mark on his coat, nor she gave him a. Then from where this mark came, just then Jungkook entered in the room after replying to the email, but he saw Yan's pale face. Jungkook concerned, wifey, what happened? Yan trembling. From where this mark came, Yan showed him the coat. Jungkook eyes widened. What the? I don't know from where this came. Are you behind my back, Jungkook? Yan tears fell from her eyes. Her pregnancy hormones are not doing anything good in this situation. Jungkook, throw the coat away from your hand and cup your face. Yan cutting him off. Don't lie to me, Jungkook. Do you think I'm blind? Someone put a mark on your coat and you don't know. Yan trembled. Yan sobbing. You don't love me. Am I not beautiful now? Jungkook quickly. No, you are beautiful. Don't say like this. Yan shouting. Then who is that woman who put her mark on your coat? She pushed his hand away from her face. Jungkook ran a hand through his hair, not knowing how to make her understand that he also don't know about the Jungkook sigh. Listened, I don't. Jungkook took his steps to hold her, but Yan, don't come near to me. I'm carrying your child, and you are another woman. How dare you to say such a things about me? Do you know that you are the first woman I fell in, and you are here excusing me of? He shouted on her. But leave it. You are not going to get that thing in your head, he said, and stormed out of the bedroom, slamming the door, which made Yan flinch. Yan stood there silently, tears still flowing down from her eyes. Jungkook point of view. I sat on the chair, rubbing my face in frustration. How can Yan thought something like this about me? I never look at any other except her. But there, from where that mark came, I should not have shouted on Yan. What I did, I should have controlled my anger. I get up and go to the bedroom. Other point of view, when Jungkook entered in the room, there was no one present. I'm sorry, he said and went to the bathroom. Jungkook knocked on the door, hoping a Yan would be inside. But when he did not get any reply, he pushed the door open. There was no one in the bathroom also. Jungkook come back in the bedroom after searching a yarn in the whole house. He started to worry for her now. It's raining heavily. Where she can go? Jungkook muttered. But soon Jungkook's eyes widened. Because of my shouting, she went outside of the home. Jungkook immediately ran outside of the house. Rain was pouring heavily, the sky roaring with a thunder. Jungkook searched for you like a crazy person, the front porch, the garden, even the streets, but you were not in sight. Rain soaked him from head to toe, but he doesn't care about himself when his wife is missing. Jungkook shouting, Yan, Yan, where are you? He ran down the sidewalk, panic growing in him with every second for not finding his wife. Suddenly he saw you sitting on the bench, totally drenched in the rain, clutching your tears were flowing down from your cheeks, mixing with the rainwater. Jungkook rushed to you. Jungkook worried. Yan, what are you doing here? It's not good for you and you did not reply him. Jungkook sighed softly and knelt down in front of you. Why you left the house? I was worried for you and our, he said, cupping your cheeks. Your eyes were puffy and swollen because of crying. Why you shouted at me? I got scared. I'm sorry. Forgive me. There were a silence for a few seconds, then Jungkook spoke, Jungkook voice cracking. I was hurt when you excused me for, when in reality I only, but you did not needed to yell on me. I know, I'm sorry. I should have held you and told you that I can never betray you. I'm also sorry for not trusting on you. Don't say sorry. But just remember that I only and you. Yan nodded. Jungkook placed a peck on her forehead and gently stand up her. He wrapped his arm around you protectively while one hand on your belly. Let's go home now. I'll give you and then we will. I will not let you live for a second. Yan whispered, I don't want to go away from you. She nodded, snuggling into his. Jungkook and Yan both are on their bed. He was caressing a Yan's while Yan was sleeping peacefully, feeling sad in his arms. After Yan fell asleep, but Jungkook was wide awake, admiring but his attention went to his phone notification. He slowly reached for his phone and saw a message from one of his trusted employees. Jungkook opened the video and his eyes became red in anger, watching how Yuna put her mark on his coat. Jungkook stopped the video and messaged Yuna. Jungkook message, no need to come from tomorrow, you are fired. Jungkook sent the message and also the footage recording of Yuna putting her. Jungkook low voice, I will make sure she doesn't get any job after she tried to break my. Jungkook put the phone back on the place. He pecked Yan's forehead and closed his eyes, ready to go in his dreamland.